I have personally won over.
Looking like a muscle man, you crawled out from a swamp. Slimy wild, you honey child. Give me a hump, you've done my brain in. Oh, you've done my brain in. Right in.
find yourself this morning?
Well, I just rolled back the sheets and there I was.
When Mr. Slater's parrot says hello, and Geezer likes to get one on the go, we hope to hear him swear, we love to hear him squeak, we like to see him biting fingers in his horny beak. Sometimes he wants to whistle through